Heat retention. 189 F at 1 hour, 160 F at 6 hours. Cold retention. 46 F at 6 hours. Made of BPA-free plastic and stainless steel. Zojirushi stainless steel vacuum insulated mug keeps beverages hot or cold for hours with an easy-to-clean non-stick coated interior, made with a special manufacturing technique to make the body ultra-lightweight and compact. The two-step lid release process prevents excess condensation on the topper from being flung off while the lid opens and the stopper disassembles for thorough cleaning. Air vent on the mouthpiece allows beverages to flow out smoothly without gushing or overslowing. Safety lock feature prevents the lid from opening accidentally. Bottle has a 1-5/8 inch, 4 cm wide mouth opening. Made of BPA-free plastic and stainless steel. Top reviews from the United States. The best. I have bought these Zojirushi thermal carafes for years. I have probably a dozen of them. I use them every day. I go to sleep with hot coffee by my side and wake up with hot coffee, repeat all day long. They will eventually be less effective because I drop them occasionally, and after 3 to 4 months of everyday constant use, I always have a stash of replacements. They sip well, lock so they don't leak. They are ideal for people who drink hot coffee all day. Tip to keep leak-proof: do not fill over the curved portion at the top of the canister. And if placed upside down for a period of time, wipe little drips out of liquids out of the nooks and crannies of the lid, before drinking. I make 4 cups of coffee in my Technivorm Moccamaster coffee maker and pour into my 16 ounces Zojirushi canister several times a day and never have stale, burner-cooked, cold coffee. I am a 100% fan. I cannot recommend enough. Also, I like the ones that curve in at the top better than the straight up and down ones. Please keep making this version Zojirushi.